Hi there, this is Paula with Bark. Let's set up Bark's screen time and location tracking features on your child's iPhone or iPad by installing the Bark Kids app. On your kid's iPhone or iPad, install the Bark Kids app. Set aside your kid's device for now. Open up your parent app or dashboard. Tap on Account. Tap Device Codes. And now on your kid's device, you'll enter in that device code. Allow all permissions prompted. Then let's go to the Settings app to enable location tracking, Safari monitoring, and tamper prevention. Tap on Privacy and Security to allow location services and allow Bark to have location always with precise location. Tap back into the regular settings, scroll down to Apps, and tap into Safari. Here we'll ensure that Safari is set as the default browser app, that the extension is enabled twice, and that it's allowed for all websites. Next, we're going to lock down these settings so your child can't mess with them. We're going to use Apple Screen Time. Set a screen time passcode only you, the parent, know. Go into Content and Privacy Restrictions, enable them. Tap into iTunes and App Store purchases and prevent the app from being deleted by tapping into this deleting app setting and selecting Don't Allow. We're going to go back, tap into App Store, Media, and Games, tap into Web Content, tap Limit Adult Websites. This prevents the Safari extension from being uninstalled. Tap Location Services and set Don't Allow Changes to Location Services. Tap Cellular Data Changes, Don't Allow. Tap Passcode and Face ID Changes, Don't Allow. Tap Background App Activity, Don't Allow. This prevents your child from messing with the Bark Kids app as much. And that's it. You've successfully set up Bark's screen time and location tracking on your child's iPhone or iPad and prevented the app from being uninstalled. You can now manage rules, check on the device health, and more from your Bark dashboard by tapping on your child's profile. If this is your first time getting your child set up with Bark, you're not done yet. With Bark Premium, you need to do some additional setup to monitor your kids' text, photos, videos, and social media for worrisome content like self-harm, bullying, violence, and that sort of thing. Because of Apple's security, we can't just do it with the Bark Kids app. To find out what you need to do, just tap on the top right plus icon in your child's profile, tap Setup Monitoring, and select the platform. In this case, to monitor iPhone text messages, photos, and videos, you'd select the Apple/iOS option. You can also check out our iOS monitoring videos or reach out to our support team at help@bark.us.